Welcome to the American Dream. I'm Kalab Hoover, your TV host. Today we're going to look at some of the most influential cities in the United States. Today we're here in Pensacola, Florida. It is the oldest Spanish settlement in the United States, founded in 1559 by Spanish settlers. Pensacola has some of the richest history in the U.S. In this episode, we explore downtown Pensacola, Florida, a city steeped in rich history, coastal charm, and vibrant lifestyle that embodies the essence of the American dream. Join us as we uncover the stories of those who call this Gulf Coast gem home. To show you one of the favorite local hangouts here in downtown Pensacola, the Cabaret, where everyone is welcome. Let's go check it out. Since 2009, the Cabaret has been a place of refuge, celebration, unity for Pensacola's LGBTQA+ community. From its early days to its pivotal role today, this establishment has been a beacon of acceptance, love, and most importantly, pride. Tonight, we'll dive into the incredible impact the Cabaret has not only had on the city, but the entire region. We'll watch and see how people have made this a safe space and the stories that have helped shape the history of Pensacola's LGBTQA+ community, and how the local owner gives back to numerous charities per year. I hope you enjoyed our little hangout. Now we're going to take a stroll downtown and have a look around. Come on now and follow me to one of my favorite restaurants, Jocko's, located at the end of Palafox Marina, surrounded by breathtaking views of the Pensacola Harbor and Plaza de Luna. Now let's take a quick walk down and take a peek at the night scene downtown. Beautiful winter street views guide us down 2 blocks to the Pensacola Museum of History, built in 1907. This museum tells us the history of the city of Five Flags. It also displays Pensacola's rich history and timeless heritage. And that's a wrap for downtown Pensacola, Florida. From its rich history, vibrant art scene, and local businesses, Pensacola truly has something for everyone. Whether you're looking to move here or just coming to visit, give downtown Pensacola a try. I'm Kalab Hoover, your TV host for the American Dream, and we'll see you next time.